In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Upstream O2 sensor on your Chevy Colorado. This is located in the front of the vehicle and part of the exhaust system. Let's get started. Looking down into the passenger side of the engine bay, we find a connector with a green hook here on it. You want to pull out on the tab. Pull the green tab out, and then you can pull out on the tab underneath that. And you can pop the connector out. You always want to check the terminals for any damage or corrosion. I'll be using a 22mm O2 sensor socket that allows me to go over the wire. Once you get the O2 sensor loose, you can remove the socket. We can get the O2 sensor started in. We'll snug that down. Get the connector plugged in. Make sure that locks down. We'll get the green clip in, make sure that's locked down. Start up the vehicle and make sure you don't have a check engine light. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.